So out with the midweek searches today. Looking forward to this. It's going to be a bit chilly though today, but here early before other people arrive, and let's see if we can have a good day. And I'll see you all in the first hole. So, first signal. You see it there? Look at that. Lovely little buckle. That is a mega good start. Well happy with that. Yep. Excellent. Right, let's keep at it. No idea what that is. Well, that's the second hole. Still no shotgun cartridge. Oh well. Yeah, don't know, it's got some age. Tip off or something. Anyway, good signs. Let's keep going. What it is, but it's in here. See anything, can you? This one? Aha. Yeah, a button. Yep, just a button. Nothing much still. It's better than trash. Okay, let's keep going. In the clod. Oh, there you go. What is that? Button by the look of it. Ooh, no, it's a small bridle ring. Yep. Oh well, something better than nothing. Let's keep at it. Not sure what that is. Let's give it a rub on the magic trousers and see what we can do. Oh wow! Look at that! Ah, April Fool. Can you see it?
Yeah, I'm recording. I can see it.
Do it on your camera.
I mean, the sound's going to be rubbish.
Ooh.
Oh, that's so nice.
Look at the imprint. What a corker.
Does that say the Pony Club?
The Pony Club, yeah. Some gilt looking at the back of that, but that's a lovely little badge, isn't it?
Really nice.
Cool. Well
Very
happy.
nice. I'll send you this recording.
Absolutely sweet. Let's see what we got. Oh. Nah. Bit of copper plate. Nice and green though, as it would be. Cool, let's keep going. That's about the 10th button, but that's a nice chunky button, so I think we might find there's something on that one. Yeah, some sort of military army button, navy button, whatever. I'm not going to clean that now, it's freezing and I'll get into it. Let's keep going. It's a long time to find my first coin. You just about see the imprint. You won't be able to record now either. Rough. Yeah, farthing probably. Wasting time on it now. Good, first coin. Hallelujah. Let's keep going. See anything? Oh, what's that? Nothing. Silver. I think it is there. Later, give it a test. So, let's carry on. Not even lunchtime. Version of the one I found early on. Great big stud. Had a looks like it's got a bit of age, and it was deep. Yep, drying out as we look at it. Okay, let's keep going. It's not quite lunchtime yet, or nearly, sort of just before 1. Okay, cool. Hey, great big musket ball. Gotta find one of them, haven't you? Huh? Every farm seems to have one. Excellent. Right, must have lunch now. Lunch. Socking great disc of lead. Not sure if there's anything on there. It was slightly bent, and I bent it back so some of the crust came off. Don't know. One for the roundup. Yeah, let's keep at it. What that is? Some sort of little. Don't know if it was part of a dress circ. It's missing. Don't know. It's something. Party fact. Let's keep at it. I haven't done all that much recording today. There's Roseanne. She digs it happy swinging. She's not happy. Oh, that hurts. That so hurts. I'll put my back to it. I've actually got some in here. It's, probably another button. We've had a lot of buttons today. Busted. It's falling out. There you go. Lumber lead. Plenty of them as well. Anyway, we're going to brave it. Brave the blizzard. And I'll see you, hopefully. Ow! In the next hole. Something. I think that's a bag seal. Stars on it. Yeah. I like bag seals. That's nice. Happy with that. Nice to find something that's actually something of lead instead of just silly little bits. Cool. Let's keep going. That one's quite sweet. Tom back. Lost its shank. Oh well. Let's see if there's anything coinage of that age. Help for the moment. Say hello. Say hello, Mr. Sheepy. All of a sudden they've all got brave. Huh? Hello. Do you know Bar Black Sheep? Huh? You gonna let me dig this or not? Not even sure if I'm in or out of the hole now. I've forgotten what I was doing. Go on, you lot. Doodle off. I'll come back to you if it's anything decent. It's a shame. Look at that for a chunk of crotal bell, huh? There's no denying that one. That would have been a right huge lump. Oh well, it's obviously been ploughed quite extensively in the past, but yeah, that's nice. I'm going to go around all this area carefully and see if we can find any more. Bear with me. Seen anything like that before. The back is all like dimples. Let's take this out. It could be a button. That could be a shank in the middle. It looks a bit thin for a button. I think that's what it is though. Oh well, fooled. Let's carry on. That's a button and a half, isn't it? Look at how round that is. That's definitely a military one, I think. It's like a cannon on it. Pretty sure that's a cannon. Crown above, maybe. Don't know. We shall look that up. I've not found one like that. That's a real bulbous one with its shank, which is cool. Lovely. Keep at it. It's 3:30. Got half hour-ish. Cool. Hopefully there's another one. That's to be the most bizarre thing I've ever dug up, and that's actually, if you get away from it a bit more, a full crop. Pulled it straight out of the ground. Just got the ferrule. Oh well. Different. I think that might be the last one. I've had enough. Bat's killing me. It's about 4:30. So I'll see you in the roundup. So a quick roundup from our day out yesterday. And we had the obligatory musket ball. Nice big one. I've had a few of these now. I'm not quite sure what they are. If anyone's got any idea what these are. They look like they've come out of a mould seam mark and then got this triangle top, whether that's where it's been snipped. I don't know. If anyone's got any ideas, I'd like to hear them. And we had the bag seal, where it looks like a tree maybe, and some stars, might say RC or BC, or that might not be a tree at all. Don't know, but you can see sort of how it worked on this one. And that would have been smashed down to crimp the rim. So that's nice. These all different holes. Thought is they are from a printing press. They're either spacers, as I can't find any letters or anything on an edge. But if anybody else has got any better ideas, I think they're bronze. They're not lead. So 3 of them. The obligatory ring thing. An old small bit of horse harness. This was the button that I thought initially was going to be some sort of coin token type thing, but you can see in the middle there it's where it did have a shank, which is a bit of a shame. We had a great big stud. Don't know what that was off of. Smacked on the side of a cart or something, like a little bumper corner, something just to protect. We had a small mini one near the beginning. This one I can't see how was fixed, so not quite sure, but got some age. We had a bit of silver, so I tested that. That's silver. That must have been off of something. Pen. Don't know. It looks like it's narrowed there, but you can never tell when things have been in the ground. Not much there. This is a bit curious. This does seem to test as silver, and the more you sort of turn it around, the more things you think you can see in it. The back has had lead poured on it, and what looks like sort of like a farm token type effect in the lead. One of the corners you think you can see lettering, but I don't know. I don't know if it is an old worn hammered or William III worn that's been repurposed. Look at that, you can almost see a face there, nose, 2 eyes, what could be a crown above, I don't know. But yeah, I'm going to try and get a bit more of that crud off the top right. I think that might be lead that's come over the top. But different. Our only actual coin, yeah, crusty Vicky probably. Not sure we're ever going to get anything off of that. I might run that through the tumbler at some point and see if it gets destroyed, just for fun. So you can just about see something at the top there. But is what it is. One of my favourites. Bit of crotal bell. I mean, this would have been a socking big crotal bell. I mean, that is quite a lump. So, foundry mark, something with a W or VV, not quite sure. Probably be able to look that up actually. And then what could have been on the other side. But, yep, like that. Bit of medieval. Tons of buttons, absolute tons and tons of buttons. A couple of favourites, one with a star, one with a nice wavy and border around it, quite like that. This one actually tests as silver. It's a little silver 4-hole button, it's quite weighty, so that was unexpected. This one that kindly the clip was donated by Roseanne at She Digs It Happy Swinging. She was near me when I found it and shared it with her, because all you could see was just a tiny little gold edge. But the Pony Club, it's got no year or anything on it. I can't get much off the back, it's just the maker, registered, limited, pin's gone. But yeah, nice little enamel badge. It's cool. Tudor buckle, which is always nice. Pins all rusty and crusty and horrible. Might try and clean some more of that up off the edge where it's leached. But yeah, good old item. First hole, typical, isn't it? I think you're going to have an absolute stonking day when something like that comes out the first hole. It was a good day, but not quite as many other bits. I think this possibly part, I think this would have had a hook here as a dress hook to prop up the something, undergarment or whatever. Couple of military buttons, artillery button, big bulbous job that one, not seen many like that. And then the more normal one, this is the one that's got this sort of star around it and a number in the middle. I think when it was wet it looked like number 4 in the middle, but it's past its best, that one. And that's pretty much it. So we're actually going out again tomorrow, Sunday dig, and I'll see you there. Take care, everyone.